Good morning, children. A very warm welcome to DAV Public School, Class 3. And the subject we are going to learn today is English. So, always we should think we are just like a newborn baby. When he was born, from that till he becomes 1 year, he learns many things like crawling, eating, then he will try to walk, he will try to speak, he wants to identify his parents. So many things a child learns. So similarly, we should be curious to learn many new things in our life. Okay, children, what do you see here? Elephants. Elephants are very big animals. Elephants are very big animals. They have long trunk, long trunk. In these sentences, big describes about the animal that it is a big animal. Long describes about the animal that its trunk is long. Today we are going to learn about describing words. Here you can see from this example, elephants are very big animals. Our mouse is a small animal. Mouse is a small animal. Whereas elephant is a very big animal. They have long trunk. Their trunk is very, very long. They have long trunk. Elephants are very big animals. Yes or no? They are very, very big animals. And they have long trunk. What is the color of this bag? It is black in color. What is the color of this bag? The bag is black in color. It is black in color. So in this, black describes the bag. That is the color of the bag. Black is the describing word. Chalk piece. What is the color of this chalk piece? It is white in color. It is white in color. So the chalk piece color is white. White is a describing word. What is a describing word? Describing words, the word that describe or tell about a naming word. That is the noun are called describing words. They are also called as adjectives. So in describing words, you will describe about the quality and how many do you have. That is the numbers, quantity and also the color. Describe about the quality, quantity and the color. Sheila has a long hair. Ram has 3 pencils. There are 20 children in our class. So, Sheila has a long hair. Long is describing word. Then, there are 20 children in our class. 20 is describing word. You have 3 pencils. 3 is the describing word. 3 says how many pencils do you have. Now take out your practice book Page number 23. You just observe the pictures and you can match it by yourself. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Just do the match the following by yourself. A fat boy. Who is a fat boy? Where is the fat boy? The fat boy is here. Draw a line to the fat boy. You can take your pencil and draw a line to the fat boy. Two boys. 1, 2. Two boys are here. Draw a line to two boys. So only match the following. You can do it by yourself. A happy boy. See, he's smiling here. A happy boy. A happy boy. A tall boy. You can see a tall boy here. A thin boy. You can see a thin boy here. You can do this match the following by yourself. By observing the picture, you can draw the line in your books. The words happy, tall, fat, thin, two and two tell us something about the naming word boy. The words that describe or tell something about a naming word are called describing words. You can do it by yourself. You can do this by yourself. Take 2 minutes time and do it by yourself. You can see the picture and you can read the word and you can join the lines. So only match the following. Go to page number 24. Read the following. Aladdin was a poor boy. Not at all having money. He lived in a small hut. One day, he found a magic lamp. Aladdin was a poor boy. What is the adjective here? Which word describes about Aladdin? Aladdin was a poor boy. Is the boy rich or poor? Poor. So, poor says about how the boy's economic status is. So, it describes about the boy. But we should not discriminate anybody, rich or poor. You have to treat everybody equally. What kind of a boy he is? He is a poor boy. What kind of a hut he lived? He lived in a small hut. What is the size of his hut? Small hut. Small is describing word here. One day he found a magic lamp. What kind of lamp did he find? Magic. We'll do abracadabra. And he says, you will get many things. One day, he found a magic lamp. What kind of lamp did he find? Magic. Magic is a describing word. Describes about the noun lamp. Small is a describing word. Describes about the hut. Poor is a describing word. Describes about the boy. All the three sentences are about the boy. The word poor, small and magic tell us something about the nouns Aladdin, hut and lamp respectively. Similarly, a powerful genie lived inside the lamp. He had black eyes and a big round belly. He promised to grant Aladdin 3 wishes. Whatever 3 things you need, you can ask me. I can give you. I can grant you 3 wishes. All the encircled words are describing words. Powerful, black, big Round 3. Now, question number 3. Read the following extracts from A3, Dolphins, Unit Animal World, and A2, The God of River. God of River is your omitted portion. You can read the lesson and you can read. Unit Nature Case of my English reader and underline the describing words. This is in page number 24 in practice book. And question number 3. Question number 3. Underline the adjectives. Dolphins are usually gentle. What type of animals dolphins are? They're very gentle. But sometimes they get angry. What do they get? Angry. When they are angry, they make a loud clapping noise. How was the sound they make? Loud. Loud clapping noise with their jaws. Dolphins are often very helpful. So they are very helpful to us. Page 24. How to underline the adjectives, that is the describing words. You can see the screen and you can do it in your book. You can see the screen and do in your book. Dolphins are usually gentle. What type of animal they are? They are gentle animals. But sometimes they get angry, happy, sad. All these emotions, whatever we get, comes under adjectives. Sometimes they get angry. What do they do when they get angry? When they are angry, they make a loud clapping noise. They make a loud clapping noise. They make with their jaws. You have learnt. With their jaws. So in this sentence, the adjectives are dolphins are usually gentle. So what quality they have? They are very gentle. But sometimes they get angry. What is the emotion mentioned here? Angry. When they are angry, again angry, they make a loud clapping noise. How much sound they make? Loud noise. Loud is also adjective. Please underline these 4 words. Please underline these 4 words. You can read and underline by yourself. You can read the book and you can start underlining. Dolphins are often very helpful. They are very helpful. Helpful is the adjective here. They help each other. Now, in the God of River, Ramesh was a small boy. He is 11 years old and his father is Ram. Kisan is a farmer. They lived in Dampur. They used to throw the garbage in the river and makes it polluted. One day, the god of river came and stood in front of Ramesh. He was tall. The god of river was tall and fair, and he held a golden pot in his hand. Golden pot in his hand. But he looked sad. Golden pot is fair, is tall, but he is very sad. Why the god of river was sad? What is the reason? Because everyone are throwing the garbage into the river and polluting it. If you pollute the river, what will happen? Malarias will come and they will spread there. We'll get diseases like malaria, cholera, dengue, etc. So when you have garbage, you can make a hole and put the garbage in it and cover it. It is called compost pit. It is very useful for the farmers. It is used as manure. Means for the plants to grow, you need manure. So the garbage which is not required to you can be made into a compost pit. He was tall and fair. And held a golden pot. In his hand.